In this video I'll show you guys how to hide and unhide posts from your Facebook timeline. This should work on both iOS and Android, so if you want to hide and unhide posts from your Facebook timeline, then make sure you watch this video till the end and you should be able to do that. Let's get started. First of all, open your Facebook, go to the third tab, your profile, click on that, click on the three dots right beside add story, go to activity log, and right here you can see all your posts. If you want to hide something, then click on the three dots of your new post, click on hide from timeline, then it's gone. But if you want to unhide something, then click on category, go to hidden from timeline, and you can see your post. Click on the three dots again, click on show on timeline, click on this red cross in the left corner, and right here, as you can see, your post is visible again. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I would appreciate that. Thanks.
If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.